Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my Facebook page. And today we want to talk about money. Who doesn't like money? Me, personally, I like money, and if they tell you that you don't need money, everybody needs money. So right now we're going to be talking about why you're not making money, or you're not going even to make money on Facebook even though you are monetized. I see a lot of people are complaining, showing us their studio about how much they are earning. Some people have been earning up to 10 cents for the past 6 months that they have been monetized. Some people cannot even cash out. Why? So right now I'm going to be using YouTube as an example and how we are making money on YouTube platform. YouTube pays you according to your niche and what you are talking about. So right now I believe that this Facebook also is going to be going according to your niche and what you are talking about. So why not talk about money? When you talk about money, I think you earn more money since it's all about money and engagement. So right now, if you check about, let's talk about YouTube, for example, the people that are posting laughing videos, the people that are posting, you know, pictures, some kind of photos. Definitely on the video, you're not going to earn much unless you're going to be having quite lots of views. And for you to have that kind of views that is going to earn you that kind of money, it is only by the grace of God, or the algorithm picks on you and say, wow, it is your lucky day. And that's the only way that you can be able to earn good amount of money. Another thing is, people, are they engaging on your videos? Because Facebook right now is all about engagement. Who is clicking, who is commenting, and who is sharing. So if you don't have quite lots of engagements, you might not be able to get more money on your Facebook. And you might even have like 100,000 views. And I see people earning $10. Wow! It is so poor. So I think you can now start giving value, upgrade and update your niche, what you are discussing and what you are talking about. And the next thing that you need to do is, number two, why you will never earn money is about your videos, the kind of videos that you post. Let's say your video is 1 minute. That 1 minute video, even if you have like 100,000 views on that video, a lot of people might be watching that video 5 seconds, 2 seconds, and you are rejoicing that you got like quite lots of views. At the end of the day, they will calculate it. How much people are watching that videos? Did they finish that 1 minute video that you created? You understand? So now you need to start adding more value, make your video more interesting so that you can hook people to stay more. And that is why you see these people that are creating comedy, people like to watch comedy because comedy makes us to laugh, comedy makes us to relax. And a lot of people will like to relax and keep watching that comedy. You understand? So, but comedy, they make money because they will definitely have lots and lots of views. You can see somebody that you don't even know about. All of a sudden, he or she just created a prank or a comedy video, and boom, all of a sudden, people will start sharing. The person will start getting shares, will start getting comments on that. So how many minute videos are you creating? Like YouTube focuses on how many minutes watch time hours, and that is how you get paid. Another thing is that the country, you understand, there are country that will be watching, that are your audience, and when they watch more of your videos on Facebook or any social media, guys, you are made. Like we have the United States of America, and we have the UK, and we have the Australia, and we have quite lots of these countries. So if you have more people from these particular countries watching your videos, definitely you are going to be making quite lots of money. So right now I want to consider what kind of videos will I be creating if you want to make good money, so that every month definitely you are going to be cashing out. So you need to start creating consistently. That's another thing. Number four, you need to start creating consistent posts. You understand? Any post you made, make sure that you are optimizing your post so that it can get to the audience. that you are posting. And right now, people are so lucky on this Facebook. Facebook is not even focusing on whether you have millions of followers or you have millions. People that have little followers, they are being noticed because all of a sudden, boom, you understand? Once you have a good post and you are lucky, apart from being good posts, you can just be lucky the algorithm will push your videos and film or your post. Before you know, you start getting shares, you start getting likes, and your audience, it will get to the right audience that needs this particular post, and they'll start sharing, they'll start commenting. Girl is your girl, a beast lady. If you have any question, put it on the comment section.